Ready to have your mind blown? Technology is rewriting the rules of reality faster than ever before. From AI that thinks for itself to gadgets that defy imagination, these 20 tech facts will shock you. Let's dive in. Did you know NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab actually uses video game controllers to operate Mars rovers? That's right. Engineers found that off-the-shelf controllers, like the ones you'd use for Xbox or PlayStation, are more intuitive and reliable than custom hardware. It's a perfect example of how gaming tech is helping us explore other planets. The very first computer virus was created in 1986 and was called Brain. It was made by two brothers in Pakistan, not to cause harm, but to protect their medical software from piracy. The virus spread by infecting floppy disks, and its creators even included their names and phone number in the code. Here's a wild stat. Over 90% of the world's data has been created in just the last 2 years. Every photo, message, and video you upload adds to this digital explosion. With billions of devices online, we're generating more information than ever before in human history. IBM's Watson AI once competed on Jeopardy, and not only did it play against the two best human champions, it actually beat them both. Watson could process natural language, search millions of documents in seconds, and even make jokes. It was a huge leap for artificial intelligence and showed the world what machines could do. Ever wondered why the QWERTY keyboard is arranged the way it is? It was actually designed in the 1800s to slow down typing. Early typewriters jammed if people typed too fast, so the layout was made less efficient on purpose. Today, we still use QWERTY, even though jams are a thing of the past. Facebook has over 3 billion users. That's almost half the planet. If Facebook were a country, it would be the largest in the world by population. Every day, people share billions of photos, messages, and videos, making it one of the most powerful platforms ever created. Here's a secret. The original Xbox had a hidden Linux mode. Tech-savvy gamers could unlock it and turn their console into a mini-computer, running different operating systems and even browsing the web. It was a hacker's dream and showed how versatile gaming hardware could be. In 1980, the very first 1 GB hard drive was a true giant. It weighed more than 500 pounds and cost a staggering $40,000. That's about the price of a new car today. It was the size of a refrigerator, and now you can fit thousands of times more storage in your pocket. This shows just how fast technology shrinks and gets cheaper. Believe it or not, over half of all emails sent every day are spam. Even with today's advanced filters, that's billions of unwanted messages flooding inboxes worldwide. The first spam email was sent in 1978, and fighting spam has become a never-ending tech battle. The very first email was sent in 1971 by Ray Tomlinson. He even sent it to himself as a test. He's also the guy who decided to use the @ symbol in email addresses. That tiny decision changed how the world communicates forever. Artificial intelligence can now create voices so realistic, it's almost impossible to tell them apart from real people. These AI voices are used in audiobooks, virtual assistants, and even to bring historical figures back to life. The line between human and machine is getting blurrier every day. Did you know that neural networks, the brains behind modern AI, are inspired by how our own brains work? These networks can learn to recognize faces, translate languages, and even beat humans at complex games. The more data they get, the smarter they become, making AI a powerful tool for the future. Today, more than 4.5 billion people use the internet, and over half of them do it on their smartphones. That means the world is more connected than ever before, and you can access almost any information instantly, right from your pocket. The first 3D printer was invented in 1983, and it was a game changer. Today, 3D printers can create everything from houses to human organs and even food. This technology is revolutionizing manufacturing, medicine, and even space travel. Some of today's AI can write entire novels, compose original music, and create stunning artwork in just seconds. What takes humans months or years, AI can do in a flash, proving that creativity isn't just for people anymore. More than 90% of the world's currency exists only digitally. That means most of the money you think of, dollars, euros, yen, doesn't physically exist as coins or bills. It's just numbers in computer systems, moving between banks and businesses at the speed of light. The rise of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin has pushed this even further, making digital money a global phenomenon. The very first website ever created is still online today. Published in 1991 by Tim Berners-Lee at CERN, it was a simple page explaining what the World Wide Web was and how to use it. Back then, the internet was just a handful of pages, and now there are over 1 billion websites. You can actually visit that original site. It's like a digital time capsule from the dawn of the web. Tesla cars are more than just electric vehicles. They're data-collecting machines on wheels. Every time a Tesla is driven, it gathers information about road conditions, driver habits, and even traffic patterns. This data is sent back to Tesla's servers, helping improve their self-driving algorithms and making autonomous driving safer for everyone. It's like every Tesla is part of a giant rolling research project. Google Maps processes more than 25 petabytes of data every single day to keep its maps accurate and up to date. That's the equivalent of millions of HD movies. It gathers information from satellites, street view cars, and even your phone's GPS to track traffic, update routes, and add new places. Next time you get a perfect route, thank the massive data crunch happening behind the scenes. Your smartwatch isn't just a fancy watch, it's a mini health lab on your wrist. Modern smartwatches can detect heart problems and irregular rhythms with medical-level accuracy, sometimes even before you notice symptoms. In fact, there have been real cases where a smartwatch alert led someone to seek help and discover a serious heart condition in time. Artificial intelligence is now designing new materials at a pace no human scientist can match. From heat-resistant metals used in spacecraft to ultra-strong polymers for medical implants, AI can simulate and test thousands of combinations in seconds. This means breakthroughs in everything from building safer airplanes to creating better batteries for your phone. Technology is bending reality faster than ever, and these were just 20 insane facts. Which one blew your mind the most? Comment below and let us know, and don't miss part 3. It's going to be even wilder, with more jaw-dropping tech stories and unbelievable breakthroughs. Stay curious and see you in the next video.